Haga Saldorik Nohprah, Jingiakop Rwai, South West Garo Hills, Kalapoi Grand Finale, Balapulong Multi Facility Center Ampati. Baroh ki kynhun iakop kilapoi arpoi tylli shakani grand finale. Nongbishar yakani final kilong Saldorik B Sangma, Johny D Sangma, D Sangma. Kibalara ekanam lahduh kilong Bilsando Ch Marak first prize, Crossmeda Arengh second prize, Praidison D Marak third prize. Kiwei pat kibala buskit kynthub riam bakynsai kabala leit kynhun Ampati Achik Cultural Society, Haijest N Marak, Mima Gorin G Sangma. Hema Nayak DC kelasami ki buskit syaki nongjop.
with festivals and some exhibitions, maybe some food stalls and all those things we will be including in our coming programs. I would like to thank our tourist officer for making all these arrangements and organizing this singing competition very nicely. Also, I would like to thank all our DC office staff, especially from planning branch, establishment branch, and all the participants also. So as you are already well aware of these different opportunities that are there in the singing. So recently you must have seen all these big music events that are happening in different parts of Meghalaya. You must have seen cherry blossoms, then Megong. Now there is Bryan Adams concert, then there is Ed Sheeran concert. So there are so many different big music events, like they are national, international level music events are happening in Meghalaya. So in these big events, they give space to a lot of local artists also. There are many local singers, local artists that are given opportunity in these big festivals. So I like to encourage all our young people that are present here today to get more skills, to attend different programs, to understand more, and to learn in a professional way also, so that this will help you in both ways. It will help you in your leisure time also to entertain, and also it can be as a career also. Now this Meghalaya grassroots projects, you are all aware. So government also is trying to encourage more youth into singing. Also because Meghalaya is traditionally known for music. If you have seen in the 80s, in the 90s, Meghalaya, especially Shillong, is known as the music capital of the country. So that title, I think we have to bring it back. We have to hold that title. So for that, I really appreciate all your efforts, and also in the coming days, we like to have more programs. And I would like to congratulate all the winners we will be announcing now. And I would like to ask you to participate in more such events and bring so much of joy.